We'll guide you through how to fix your mic picking up all PC sounds. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're trying to go and call somebody, record something, and it's picking up all that sound which you don't want. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full guide to know the different things you can try doing. And let's get right into this. So to go and get started, you want to go to the bottom and press the Windows Start button. Find settings, you need to go and search for it and open it up. Then what you want to do is go over to the left into System and you want to go and find Sound. Make sure that you go into Input and the correct microphone is selected. Then what you can also do is go down and you want to find More Sound Settings. This will open up and you want to go into Recording, find Stereo Mix. Make sure this is disabled. So you can right click on it and press Disable. Mine says Enable as it already is, and you can then go and close out of this. Next, you want to go and open up any apps you use and make sure you go into the settings, go into the sound, or in Discord it's called voice and video, and you want to make sure the correct microphone is directly selected there as well. Now what may be happening is that your mic is going and picking it up from your speakers if you use them. So what you can do is you can go and head back to your sound settings. I'll right click on it this time, press sound settings in the bottom right. Then you want to scroll all the way down and find more sound settings. And then you need to go and find your mic in here. Right click on it, you can press properties and you want to go and press levels. You can try decreasing the boost like so, as that will increase the sensitivity. Then you can press apply and press OK. If your mic has any drivers or your motherboard has audio drivers, you want to open them up. For example, I used a Realtek audio console, so we can open that up, select mic to the left and include noise suppression and echo cancellation. And you can also try using headphones as well to stop the sound going into your mic.